You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send money to your bank account on your Cash App, alright? So it's called cash out process, which means the money which is on your Cash App, you're going to transfer into your bank. This process is called cash out in Cash App, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that exactly. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you want to open your Cash App and then link your bank account. If you don't know how to link your bank account in Cash App, we have made a video on that topic on how you guys can link a bank account in Cash App. Once you link your bank account, what you need to do is click on this house looking icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now on my screen, it shows me this house looking icon because I don't have any money on my Cash App. But if I had like $10, $20 or $30, that amount was going to be displayed over here at the bottom left corner. So click on it. Once over here, you can see the cash out option. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you how much money you want to transfer into your bank account. Then you want to choose how much money. So over here, you have the slider. You can choose the amount and click on cash out. Once you click on cash out, it's going to give you these two options. From over here, one's going to be the instant. In the instant, the money is going to be transferred into your bank account instantly, but you need to pay some amount of fee for that instant transfer. The other is going to be the free one, where your money is going to be transferred into your bank account in 2 or 3 working days. All right. So the instant one or the 2 or 3 working days one, which one do you want? You can click on it, and if your bank account is linked, your money is going to be transferred to that account which is linked with your Cash App. All right. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send money to your bank account in Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.